Soundcore Liberty Air 2. I bought the product from Flipkart for 5200 rupees in the Big Billion Day sale. Many words about the product. It's a budget AirPod. It's a very best alternative for AirPod in the budget segment. So we're going to see everything in the review. See, Soundcore provided an app, so don't worry about the call quality or sound quality. I will first show the app. You can decide how the app works for the best sound quality and the best call quality. See, this is a Soundcore app. You can see single tap and double tap and hold for 2 seconds. 3 operations are there, and left side, right side, overall 6 operations you can able to control. Touch was really very good, and we need to touch the head. And see, this is the equalizer settings, custom equalizer settings, default Soundcore signature settings, and we have lots of professional settings also there. If you choose the professional settings, you can choose from the lots of options are available there, but I choose this particular one, Corlegaling. I choose a particular one for the well-detailed sound vocals, for lots of detailed sound, and choose the :MGN for the bass. For best bass, you can choose this option, and it's a wonderful bass and wonderful detailed sound in the two options. And see, this is the actual Soundcore app. And see the quick start guide, manual manual, and firmware updates are regularly available. And see the touchdown, you can able to control the touchdown, and see the call effect. Call effect is very important. You select the call effects, then you can see so best place, quiet place, and noisy place. You can choose the two options. So call quality was excellent. You can choose the option according to you. Soundcore app was really excellent in all sorts of usage. See, this is the actual box they provided. Quality was really good. It is speaking about the primary call quality. The 4 makes noise reduction, but this product does not contain any noise isolation. We need to choose the correct earbuds. Then the passive noise isolation was really great. Here they're mentioning it was inspired by 10 million people. Okay, we see Soundcore from Anker Liberty Air 2 wireless charging, 7 hours of battery in the single charge, and charge for 10 minutes. You can use up to 2 hours fast charging support. In the box it contains 28 hours of battery. Diamond coated drivers, so it give a premium quality of audio, no doubt. See, the 50% of selling was in America. So it's a wonderful product. Please see the Amazon.com. You can get an idea about the product and see premium audio quality, 4 microphones, noise cancellation, Hear ID. The software is really good, and charge for 10 minutes, 2 hours listening, compatible wireless charging also there, and 7 hours playtime and 24 hours the charging case, and fully sweat proof. These are the main things about the product. 12,000 rupees cost, but I bought it for 5,200. See, year of import 9th month 2020, and see manufacturer country of origin Hong Kong. Okay, so color black color. Now you open the box. Box quality is fine. When you open the box, first thing noted was Soundcore app. Already we see everything about the app. See, size of the app was 61 MB. You need to download it from the Google Play Store. See, hearing ID. The software was very useful for set your own equalizer or choose from lots of experts, and choose the call quality, mics, the noisy location or quiet location. Lots of things provided in the app. Please use the app, and see the packing was excellent. See, the product was matte finish, not shining, so I think it lasts for long, and no problem about scratching. See, fully matte control, 3 indicators are there, matte finish. These are really good, not sharp, small in size. And see the earbuds. Here also they provided with matte finish, and inside was shining and outside was matte finish. See, the shape looks excellent. The product quality was fine. We see one by one later in the video. 2 earbuds left and right are mentioned, and quality is fully touch control. And when you move the box does not contain anything inside. And see the paperwork, warranty card, how to start, user manual. Please read the book before start using. Already I explained about the app, so don't worry, very easy. And see, they provided this thing. I don't know why they provided this. If anyone know, please put in the comment section what the use of this particular product. And see the wire quality was excellent quality. See, wire alone may cost 500 to 600 rupees, and the length was 3 feet in length, and supports quick charging, and excellent. The charging time takes 1.5 hours with my 20-watt hook charger. And see the buds, they provide 6 pair of buds, and medium size was in the earbuds, and all are good quality, fine quality. S plus XX M and L. 6 pairs totally, and see these are the things that comes from the box. Now we enter into the review. First we see about the charging case. When it comes to the charging case, see matte finish, slightly bigger than AirPods, quite comfortable to hold because edges are very soft and no scratches. 3 indicators, travel friendly. Type-C port, 1 indication button. I think the part is a really good product. It's lightweight and matte finish, no scratches, fully manual control. You can able to open it with one hand, travel friendly. See, the AirPods also kept in a manual control. Does not fall down easily. There's no noise. See, it's a controlled charging case. Matte finish, 3 indicators, USB Type-C charging. Indicator was bright, even though in sunlight. 2 indicators on top of the earbuds. When it comes to the earbuds, see, outside was full of matte finish and look wise was a great look. See the bottom it had a mic and top also had a mic. See inside was shiny material, and see top was indication and another mic, 2 mics. So call quality was excellent, no doubt. See build quality was premium. Both charging case and earbuds are premium build quality. I put down 2 times unfortunately, but there is no scratch or anything. See the earbuds are soft and good for your ears. See I choose S plus size, quite comfortable for running, jogging, everything. The part does not fall down. See it's fully control, touch control. You need to correctly choose the head. See single touch, double touch, and then long press for 2 seconds. Or 6 control, 2 sides, so 6 controls you can operate. This product does not contain any proper noise cancellation, so we need to choose the correct earbuds. Then the noise cancellation was excellent. It was sealed and does not allow any outside noise into the earbuds. So during travel or in your home, the noise cancellation was excellent. When it comes to the sound quality was phenomenal. My favorite one was the vocals. Vocals are very clear. Even though it gets lots of bass, the vocals are still very clear and it gets enough bass. And the best part was the sound stage. Sound stage was excellent. You can feel like you are in the middle of a 500 speakers, and when it comes to the lows are low, mids are a little bit high, and highs you can find lots of detailed sound in the product, and the sound quality 5200 rupees, even 8000 is worth. And surely I'm not telling it's a alternative for AirPods, but still you won't disappoint for the price you paid, and it's a wonderful product. If you want a best sound stage, best vocal, so choose this product. It's a detailed sound, lots of bass there, and it's a wonderful product for the price you pay. And when it comes to the call quality, phenomenal, excellent call quality. Yesterday I used it in the crowd, the call quality is very fine and clear. On the other side, the person able to hear my voice very clearly without the background noise. So it's a wonderful product for the call quality also. When it comes to the battery, see lithium polymer battery, 185 mAh. So charging time was 2 hours and play time 7 hours. With my hook charger 20 watts, it charges in 1 hour 30 minutes, and if you sound level is 50, solely it will last up to 8 hours. Averagely I will tell 6 hours, so it's a good battery life. See the product, matte finish, small in size, comfortable to hold in hand, pockets, indication, no scratches, instead of shiny material, and the buds also in the same quality, build quality with the proper indication. Comfort level was really great, small, solely is a travel friendly and worth to buy. The level of design and build quality, I'm really satisfied with the product, and the sound quality phenomenal. Even if you want bass or detailed sound, you can choose the app, some professional settings, and it's solely will satisfy the product in the price range. When it comes to below 8000, it's a wonderful product. I think the review was very useful. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I reply in 6 hours. Check product link in the description, and more products to come your channel review later one by one. Thank you 7. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you 7.